Hi friends, welcome to Riha Craft. Today I decided to show you how to make a beautiful wall decor with pista shell. Take a cardboard, cut a square shapes like that, and also cut small squares 5 pieces. Now take a fabric paint, choose any color you wish. And cross the cardboard with color. I cover the whole cardboards with color. Now take one pista shell, add glue, try to add it in circle. We add the pista shell in cardboard squares. Now take a black thread, use the heat gun, we finish our wall decor. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell button. See you soon with my new craft.